Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Wednesday, March 20. Welcome to that market report. Today folks, it was the FOMC announcement. So the Fed said that the loose monetary policies that were in place are going to continue. So with that, we had a wave of optimism in the market. Even if markets so far, if we take a look at the Dow Jones, it's still staying stuck within its Saturday formation. But on this increase, we had a lot of subsectors that actually contributed to that increase. On those sectors, we have, for instance, the pipeline, which contributed a lot. We have the broadline retailers. We have the utility sector and the home builders. So here's a list of some of the best opportunities that we found on those subsectors. For instance, on the pipeline, clearly breaking that resistance, yes. And in terms of the nicest breakout that we found, Buckeye Partners, because what we like about Buckeye is that it is starting to leave this oversold situation, we can say, and heading towards the overbought situation after testing that trend here. So that's clearly a stock that that's here the moment, because the stock is testing that trend and is heading up, even if there's that slight resistance at 59.66, but at least here is the ideal entry point on Buckeye Partners. Stop loss at 56.84 on the reversal of that upward trend. There's also Energy Transfer Partners. That stock is clearly breaking that resistance. That stock has also been put on MarketGurus.tv and our analyst choice. You can get access to that for free. Just click on the link below. So Energy Transfer Partners is also one of the best that we found also. There's in the utility sector, even if in that sector we have seen a rush in money, because people, when they were worried, they have flowed a lot of their money into the utility sector. That's why that sector has been able to perform so nicely and keep that upward trend. Even if it's far away from its 200 moving average, there are still some sectors that are standing out. For instance, Oniok is a perfect example, because we like the fact that there's some potential until it reaches that resistance at 48.14. The stock is clearly breaking that Saturday formation. There's also Entegris Energy Group. The stock is keeping its upward trend and also breaking that resistance. So, and also by looking at the stochastics, there's some momentum on the upside on Entegris Energy Group. We can also look at this as an upward corridor and say that the stock could reach the 59 high of that upward corridor. There's also in the broadline retailers. Every time you see the stock tested that upward trend, we had a rebound, and that rebound actually paid off here. It paid off here. It paid off here. And now it's the time again for the broadline retailers. See that the volumes are kind of weak though, but there's some stocks that are standing out. We have, for instance, Target. Target is actually opening its stores in Canada. So this is also some potential for Target to continue to grow. Target is clearly breaking that resistance, clearly maintaining an upward trend. So Target is one of the nicest opportunity on that sector. There's also PriceSmart. What I don't like about PriceSmart is the volume. Only 106,000 shares that are being traded, but technically speaking, the stock is clearly reversing its downward trend. This next stop 79.35 on PriceSmart. The home builders, positive economic data coming out yesterday with the building permits, which were really high. It's a leading indicator. So with this, we have seen a rise in home builders yesterday, and today the home builders, we have seen more breakouts because we are clearly breaking that resistance in the home builders ETF. You have D.R. Horton clearly breaking that resistance. You have Lennar Corp. It's moving, but also it's moving on its earnings, so it's taking 5.65%. So that's why this is not a typical stock we're going to recommend in our analyst shorts on MarketGurus.tv. But technically speaking, I have to say it's a nice buying opportunity. And Standard Pacific also, I love the technical pattern here on Standard Pacific. It's leaving its oversold situation. Our stock is clearly keeping its upward trend, breaking that resistance. What an opportunity for Standard Pacific. So we have here out of those sectors, the pipeline, those two stocks, out of the utility, those two stocks, and out of the broadline, Target and PriceSmart, and out of the home builders, all the three, D.R. Horton, Lennar Corp, and Standard Pacific. So that's it, folks. See you next week for our market report. Don't forget, you can always follow us on Facebook, Twitter. Also, you can subscribe for free to get access to all those breakouts for 10 days for free on MarketGurus.tv just by clicking on the link below. See you next week.